Chrisley, who's been following you for a really long time.
All right, nice to meet you.
And we just really wanted to understand.
We are about to start
Yeah, we're going to
Yeah, no, that's
campaigning
really,
for
really good
Riyaz.
because we want to make sure that Riyaz and you do really well.
Yeah,
And it's really important to us that Labour wins this.
yeah, thanks.
It's been a long time waiting.
14 years.
The only thing is that we're really concerned, Rachel. What's your current position in respect of what's happening in Gaza at the
We
moment?
should have this conversation separately.
Well, we've tried to have this conversation, and you've not been available.
Can we start the campaign session? So that
It
we
doesn't work. We've tried, and it's not working.
Are you in my constituency?
We've tried through the mosques.
Are you?
Archers
Let me
Patani's
just
been in
listen.
touch.
Are you? Oh, well, I've seen Arshad recently.
Yeah.
Are you in my constituency?
I'm not, but I'm a
Oh,
part.
right,
I'm a
okay.
part.
You
of
were,
I'm
that's
a Muslim,
probably
and I
why.
live in the UK,
Yeah.
and I pay my taxes.
You're with
His
us.
office
where
does speak to a wide range of constituents every week, and if you are a constituent,
Yeah,
get
in
in
fact,
touch. We
I
do
was in
respond to
touch
every
with
single constituent.
Arshad Katana last
Is
night.
there a reason why you can't answer the
Because I
question?
have a huge number of people contact me, and my surgeries are for constituents.
So does
and
that mean
their
that every
issues.
time a different person contacts you, you have a different answer?
No.
Because we just simply want one
No,
answer.
that's selling up.
Sorry,
Do you
we're
know
going to go and
campaigning?
They're only simple questions.
We've got to speak to people in the constituency.
Rachel, no, that's fine. So we'll stay with you, and we'll ask your constituents what they think about it.
I don't think that's...
It's all right. There's just simple questions like, how do you feel about Israel turning off the water?
And
Rachel, would you be able to live without water?
My understanding
Just
is
for
that
one
children in
day,
Israel at the
without
moment,
water?
They're having to eat grain. Is that correct, Rachel?
Rachel, please, can you just answer the question whilst you're walking? You voted against the ceasefire on the 15th of November. Rachel, what is your position regarding the ceasefire now? Have you started to change?
Rachel, can we talk to you? Just answer our questions, Rachel. It's just simple. Just answer the question. How could you live without water, Rachel? Have you had a glass of water today? Them children haven't had a glass of water. The children are digging holes for water, Rachel. It's just so sad, Rachel. How would you like to dig the children out of under rubble? Have you got children, Rachel? I've got a daughter. I've got a 19-year-old daughter. I couldn't imagine burying her, Rachel. Tell me how you'd feel. Rachel, please, tell us how you'd feel. It's really important, Rachel. We need to know. We need to know what's going on. How do you feel? Why did you not vote for a ceasefire? Rachel, where are you going? Rachel, Israel's got a right to defend, but Palestine hasn't, Rachel. Why, Rachel? Why are Palestinians lesser people? Where are you going, Rachel? Don't leave, Rachel. Talk to us. We want to talk in a civilized conversation, Rachel. Rachel, why wouldn't you talk? Rachel, just answer the questions. How can you vote for her? How can you be with the Labour Party? This is a humanitarian issue. Yeah, this is a humanitarian issue.